All right, how's it going, fam? We are just going to learn about some inequalities. Graphing should be review from Algebra 1. I hope everyone's been enjoying this time with their family, being kind to everyone. Anyway, just hope you all enjoy the time inside, not going around doing nothing. But we'll give you something to do, keep you busy with this math so we don't fall too far behind. So you should have already copied down your notes. We got greater than and less than. That's going to be the open circle. If it's or equal to, that's going to be the closed circle. If it's opening towards the x, like in number 1, that means we're going to the right. If it's pointing at the x, we're going to be going to the left. So I'm just going to show you some example problems so you can do the problems at the bottom of the sheet. If you got any questions, just rewind the video or email me. Office hours are 9 to 10 and 1 to 2. So we're just going to get going. These videos are only 5 minutes or less, so here we go. This one's already done, x greater than -2. So since it's strictly greater than, that means I'm going to have an open circle. You always need to mark 0 on the graph so I know where positive and negative numbers are at. And so this is an open circle, and since it's opening towards x, that means x is larger. We're going to the right. That's the final answer right here. On number 2, trying to get x by itself, so I need to get rid of this guy. We got 9 less than equal to 3x. Opposite of times 3, we're going to divide by 3 on both sides, and we've got 3 is less than equal to x. So it's a closed circle because it says or equal to. It's or equal to, so I got a closed circle. And it's opening towards the x. The alligator wants to eat the x. That means it's bigger. So we're going to the right. All right. Over here, trying to get x by itself, I'm going to add 1 on both sides. And then here's the tricky part. If you ever have a negative and you multiply or divide by a negative, it's going to flip the inequality. So this becomes this. This goes to this, right? So when I multiply or divide by a negative, like I divide by this -2 right here, my sign changes from greater than to be a less than. And now I can graph this. I know it's an open circle because it's not or equal to. I'm going to put 0 on the graph. Open circle at -3, and it's pointing at the x. X is less than, so pointing at the x means I'm going to the left. All right, we got finished. We got 2 more. This one, you can either distribute, that's fine. But since they're divisible by 2 on both sides, I'm just going to divide by 2 so that these cancel. We got x minus 3 less than 4x. Which side has more x's, left or right? We're going to go with the right side, so I'm trying to move all my x's to the right. We got -3 is less than 3x. And then last step to get x by itself, just divide by 3. So -3 divided by 3. We got -1 is less than x. So once again, put 0 up there, put your point up there. It's opening towards the x. That means I'm going to the right, and it's strictly -1 strictly less than x. So that means it's an open circle. It's opening towards the x, so it's going towards the right. Please excuse that dinging. I don't know what's going on with my wife's phone. Last one. So trying to get x by itself, we got to add 1 on both sides. Then we got a fraction. If you want to get rid of a fraction, we've got to just multiply by the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And we've got 5x less than or equal to 30. Finally, divide both sides by 5. And we get x is less than or equal to 6. So we got a closed circle because it's or equal to. And pointing at the x means I'm going to the left. X is less than or equal to. So anyway, do the IXL up to a 70. We got problems on the bottom. I want you to just do these problems. These are like example problems, and then the problems on the bottom I want you to do. Take a picture and post them anyway. Be safe. Yeah, email me any questions, comment any questions, and I'll see y'all in a bit.